We'll see how to rename sheets. There are 4 different methods in order to rename a sheet. So whichever method is easier, so you can just adapt to that particular method. The first method is that here we can see sheet 1. So just to organize data, I want to change these names to January, February and so on. So first method, just right click and then I'll go with rename. Once I go with rename, that sheet 1 tab gets highlighted. I'll just type it as January. Second method is that now I will rename sheet 2. Second method, just double click. Right? Now I'll just give the name and then press enter. Okay. Now I want to rename sheet 3. Now the third method is that go with home. Under home, go with format. In format, there is one particular option which is rename sheet. Once you click on rename sheet, we can see sheet 3 gets highlighted. I'll just type it as March and then just press enter. The last method is the shortcut method. The shortcut method in order to insert rename sheet is Alt-H-O-R. Okay. So for better understanding, I'll just type in so that it's easier. Okay. So it is Alt-H-O-R. Okay. So activate sheet 4. I'll just type Alt-H-O-R. There you go. Sheet 4 gets highlighted. Now I'll just leave it as 8.